Wow, wow, wow. We got another big kahuna this morning. Another big kahuna. NEXI. I am green on this one. Missed a couple great opportunities this morning. I sat down, I literally sat down for the break of 7. I was hitting my hotkeys, but I did not activate my order window, so my hotkeys weren't registering. Missed a break of 7. Tried catching this dip here, but I just was not patient enough. I got to be more patient on that dip. That's not good. I was in 600 shares off this dip, man. Like this, wow. From here all the way up to 13. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. But welcome for the stream. Welcome in for the stream. The pre-market pump. Let's get pumped. So we got NEXI. We have a couple other stocks moving as well that potentially may come into play. NEXI is getting tight. The dips have been keys on the dips. Okay, NEXI popping up. Pre-market pump, baby. Let's get pumped. We got another big stock today, NEXI. This thing is closed from $2.50. Now we're all the way up, topped out at 13. You can take a look at the daily chart. So this, we'll go to the 3-year, how about the 1 year? So we're all the way up at 1335. So we're right underneath this high here. It's possible if we break out of 13, we can start moving up towards the mid-teens. Yeah, so we've had stocks that have been going up. I don't know why this is here. Get this off my screen. Okay. Yeah, so we've been having. Hate that I missed that action. I was getting ready this morning and had to run an errand. Yeah, it's all right. There'll be more opportunity today. Hopefully we consolidate until the open. And then we can see like an explosive move. You can see an explosive move right at the open. I don't want it to blow its top before the open, because if it goes up too high, if Nexi goes too high, then it won't be looking good for the open. It may just start to fade at the open and not really have any front side move from there. Kind of like what we saw in MINM. Oh no, trading halted. Oh my God, halted, halted. No, oh my God. Nexi's halted. That's not good. It's halted by NASDAQ. Oh my God. They're gonna want, oh, Nexi's, oh my gosh. NASDAQ's gonna want news for the reasoning for this move, and the company's gonna be like, we have no news to account for this move. And then once they announce that, this stock is gonna go way down. This stock's gonna hit the gutter. So it halted from the NASDAQ. So the actual exchange halted the stock and is gonna contact the company and be like, well, why is your stock up so much? Do you have any news to account for? Because this has no news on this stock. And they're gonna probably come back and say, we have no news or whatever, or they're gonna publish some weak ass news. And the stock is going to dump. Oof. Yeah. Oh man. Woo. Oh man. I don't know. You gotta find. It's gotta be another stock then. Oh my God. Yeah, trading is halted pending receipt of additional information requested by NASDAQ. Whew. Yeah, Ross Cameron, he took a $3,000 loss. Oh man, thank God he got out. I mean, this thing, we've seen something like this happen before. I forget what stock it was, but it was like around this price. This was like a couple months ago. It got into a T12 halt and it opened up and it got delisted. The stock literally got delisted. And one of the traders in the community actually had a position and was holding it for weeks. He was stuck in this position for weeks, and Yeah, the stock got delisted, and they said, all right, we're going to sell your shares for $2 a share, and he ended up taking 80% loss on his position and pretty much wiped out his month. But yeah, stuff like this can happen, and that is the risk when we are trading. Is, you know, stuff like this can happen. They do happen, and it is like probably a 1 in 500 chance that could happen. But think of the amount of trades that you take every single year. You know, we take thousands of trades every year. There's bound to be at least one time statistically that we're going to get into some trouble, you know, eventually. So, you know, eventually you're gonna get bad luck. You know, that's just the statistics of it. You just got to be able to bounce back. But yeah, something like this, as long as you're not in full size, you know, you can easily bounce back. If you take like a 50% haircut or an 80% haircut, you know, you may be down a few $1,000s, hopefully just a few $1,000s, and you can make that back over the course of weeks or months. But yeah, if you're in like full size though, you could blow up an account for sure. Yeah, that's the value of getting in and out quick. Yeah, that's why I like to get in and out quick for sure, yeah. So this stock is likely done. Man, this stock is likely done. We're going to need to find something else. Yeah, I'm not sure how this is going to weigh on momentum. I'm not sure. It can't be a good thing, but I'm not sure if it's going to affect it that much. Someone's calling out ALT. Yep, ALT is moving. Does this one have news? There's no news either. I don't want to get too aggressive because I'm not sure if that momentum is still there. See if we can grab a dip down here in the 480s. Sold half there. I need to get into a bigger position. See if we can go lower. Uh-oh, I'm in 43, 19. I had to cut it there. It held that low. Crap, that was a buy entry, wasn't it? We can get that break at 5. Small size, I can add into it. That was a great dip. That was a great dip. I even called it out. I even called that one out. And I shook myself out. I was in too early, and then a little disappointing, but there'll be another opportunity. We're holding 50 shares. Didn't get that breakthrough 25. We might see another test of 490. ALT also has, oh shit, that's a pretty big float actually. All right, get out of that position. Has a larger float. I'm not sure if it's gonna move how I think it's gonna move. All the stocks that have been going up like 1,000% have been 1 million share float or less. Is that break at 25? Yeah, I'm break even on ALT. Oh man. And I had a great entry down there. And then man. Well, I guess we're moving. So maybe 550. Come on. Now we're struggling. Oh, fuck. Oh, I think I just gave back a lot there. Shit. I was sized up for that one too. It's alright, I actually only gave back 20 bucks. I was in pretty big there. It's a larger float, so it's not gonna. It wasn't gonna move that fast. I figured that. At least I was able to manage my risk there. I'm actually surprised they kept that down to a $25 loss. I thought that was going to be like a $100 loss there. Nope. All right. Is it easy to borrow? Well, I gave back a nice chunk on ALT. There'll be more opportunity. is a little bit of a better trade there. Well, made back the loss and a little more. That's good. Might need to do a pullback here. Man, with this volatility, how fast things change, man, is crazy. Like, you could be max loss and take one trade and be daily profit. And if this is easy to borrow, yeah, you could say that, okay, there could be more resistance on it. But if those shorts are trapped, especially if they're newbie shorts, you know, this thing can really rip. I'm not really sure what the float is, though. I see the outstanding is 53 mil. We'll see what Finviz says. Yeah, it says 53 mil. 12% short interest, though, which means there's some people short on that. 12% of the float is short. So 6 million shares short. Oh man. Got a pop up there. Don't want to chase it too much at the highs. 75, 78. It's definitely due for a pullback on the 5-minute. Okay, this could be a potential reversal here. Thanks for tuning in, guys, by the way. Hit that thumbs up button for me. We are green, baby. It's going to be more green today. It's going to be more green today. It's green in the air. You can smell it. Everyone's going to be getting green today. Green for everyone. Someone's calling out Pixie. No, that's not moving at all. I don't know why somebody called that out. Morning looking good again. Another great day with some big waves out there. Except NEXI is halted. I'm waiting for a 5-minute pullback on ALT. Maybe we can see around 5:30 again. Man, I think I was in what, 1,500 shares or so for that break of 550. I was just a couple minutes too early. It could have been a really nice trade if I got in 1,500 there, but it is what it is. This is how traders think. Traders are freaking crazy. Traders are always like, oh, I wish I could have done this. I wish this would have happened. I wish that would have happened. Every single day you could think like that. I don't care who you are or what happens in the market. You know, you could have always done something different. And you can always find something that you could have done different. And that can really eat you up. It's definitely good, you know, to acknowledge the things that you could have done differently. But, I mean, you have to realize that no matter what, you can always think that no matter what happens. Even if you have a perfect day, there's still always something you could have done different. which is great to learn from, but it also mentally can really eat you up. Mistakes are a part of the game. The thing about trading, though, that is so different from everything else, any other career path, is that trading, you know your mistakes right away. You fail a lot, and you fail fast. So that can really be rough on your mindset, your mental state, and you got to be able to deal with failure really quickly and bounce back. Yeah, it is a challenge. Yeah, you got to be used to failure. Got to be used to mistakes, because it's going to happen. In other businesses or career paths, you may make a mistake and you may not know it's a mistake a year or 2 years down the road, which make it harder to really, learn the ropes. It takes longer to learn the ropes because you're failing slower. Trading is it's its own beast. Yeah, if you have a weak mind in trading, it's going to be very hard to succeed. You have to be very strong-minded. The 5-minute is really extended. I would not be buying breakouts right now. I'm thinking we need a pullback, but I think this could be the one to watch for the open. So we really want to see the break of this area, which is about $6. So we'll put a trend line there. We break 6, then we could be looking good. Because there's a whole window. Oh man, there's a whole window. We can go over that in a second. It might be a dip buy though. So let's pull it up quick. Yeah, so there's a whole window up till 9. That's crazy. Okay, here comes the dip. See if we can get that 5-minute dip. Target 540. 540 target. I know you're going to come down to 540. Come on. Do it. Do it. This could be the dip here. It's still a little bit, I think it still can come down more. Come on. Okay, now we're getting into it. We're coming down. A lot of shares are just traded there. Yeah, it wasn't enough size there, but I thought we were coming. I thought we were just gonna smidgen below 50. I would have sized him more. One more push down below 50, I could definitely go for, because the 5 minute is still over. It's still way off here. I am still in that position, so let me get out of that position. Come on. I think I'm out of that position. I don't think I made it. Did I? Yeah. Ah, I thought I sold at 47. What? Oh my gosh. How you doing, Lance? So far, market's still hot here. We got ALT moving. How you doing today? HUBC also is moving. Maybe you get that break at 50 cents. boy. 5 minute 90 MA. It's like right underneath that level. Yeah, we'll see if that Momo continues. NEXI probably put a damper on it, but we'll see. Does it break at 50? Ooh. Ooh. I had a good entry there too, down here, 40s. It's a slow reclaim, but what are you gonna do? Volume coming in. Thanks for tuning into the stream, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. Support the stream. Hope you guys are doing great. Coming down again. What's happening here? What's happening here? Uh-oh. Whoa. Not good. Right on. I'm gonna just hold 50 shares and see if we do reclaim back to 60. This could be done though. This could be fading. Because we're right on the 90 MA. Which, yeah, the 5 minute 90 MA. Longer. I'm going to do a longer hold time here. Maybe we're gonna form like a rounded bottom here. Here is that 540 entry though that I was looking for. Market's giving me what I want. That's for sure. Hands off the sell button. I'm only going to add to this position for the break of 560. I think we're looking good. Not a bad trade here. Patience, patience. Over 560 or nothing. Over 560 or nothing. I'll get back in. I'll get back in and the price is coming down a little bit. Back to 60, come on. Uh-oh, this is not good. Oh no, I cut half. I cut half. That was a great entry. Give me 60. Give me 60. 60! Oh fuck, I'm short? Oh shit. Oh shit. Careful not to go short on this, guys. This is freaking easy to borrow. Oh my god. We've got the break of 60. Not exactly the cleanest on my end. Whoa. think at the open is going to be my next opportunity. Is going to be at the open. Small green coming into the open. That's fine. I've been trading small size. I'll bump it up to 1,000 shares at the open. This is why I like to trade small size on pre-market, because I'm always fumbling around with my hotkeys and canceling orders and accidentally going short, and the market sell market never works, so it doesn't work pre-market and buy market, you know. But I hope we consolidate. I hope we hang around this level at the open. I hope we consolidate in this area at the open, because then we'll see maybe like a quick dip and a rip, and then breaking the pre-market high. $150 open at the market on what does it say? On ALT. So there's a shelf. Yeah, that's never good. We might need something fresh. I'm gonna go add some coffee. $15 minutes to the market open. 15. How are we doing pre-market, guys? Are we green? Small green, small green. That's good. That's good. There'll be more opportunity today, I hope. I'm sure there will be. Mike Nira in the Discord posting some sweet gains. Up 120. Very nice. Shout out to Mike Nira. Doing very nice. Up 120 to start. Nice, nice. Oh, you're stuck on the Nexi halt? Yeah, just, I'm sorry, kiss that money goodbye. That's not good. How much are you in? Big size? How many shares are you in NEXI? Small 30 shares. Yeah, that's not too bad. So that's so you're in what, 350 bucks or so. Yeah, there's a good chance that you're gonna lose most of that. So sorry to inform you that, but yeah, you're likely gonna take a big haircut. But at least you're only in 30 shares. You can bounce back real quick. You'll be able to bounce back. It just happens. It's the law of statistics. You take thousands of trades every single year. You know, on the odd small sliver of statistics that we get caught in something like that, you know, it's bound to happen at least once every couple years or once a year. You just got to bounce back. There's nothing really you could do. Don't blame it on yourself. It's a shame that the market does that, though. Yeah, I mean, if they need additional news, like, why don't they should keep the stock trading while they're trying to procure news, not like halt the stock, because then you're literally taking people's options to get their money back. Like, you don't need to stop the trading just to get news. We could see a break again here, 565. Yeah, market's a little quiet right now, but I think we're gonna see some more action. Here goes ALT. I don't want this to break out until the open. T-minus 6 minutes. Oh boy, I don't want to break out yet. Don't break out yet. It broke out. Baja Express back in the green. Let's go. Nice job. Very nice. I'm gonna hang tight until the open. I'm gonna hang tight. We're green coming into the open. We got a good cushion. We can risk these pre-market profits. Roll it over to some big trades coming into the open. All right, I'm gonna get geared up for the open. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up button. If you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button. Good luck today. Hope you guys get green. It's the last day of the week. Let's enjoy this Momo while we have it. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. All right, catch you later. Good luck.